A real simple, easy peasy dish to throw together any time of day, right? But we're going to change it up. We're going to use chicken chipolatas, darling. Italian sausages. Well, Italian style, it says here. Chicken chipolatas with mozzarella, tomato and basil. And to go alongside that, we've got tomato, we've got mozzarella, and we've got some basil. So the flavours from the sausages will be in the sauce as well. Very, very nice. Bit of penne pasta. And then on top of that, we've got some chicken stock, because any tomato-based sauce that I create, may it be bolognese, maybe it be just a tomato-based sauce for your pasta, basic one like this, even without the sausages, I always go with a chicken stock like that. Because I think that combination with some basil, oh my God, it is the bee's knees. So we're going to go on the sausages there. We're going to make this, I'm going to probably cook all of them sausages up, because my Ted's going to be hungry in a minute. It's lunchtime, isn't it? Feeding time in the zoo. Well, say lunchtime, it's 20 past 11 at the moment, so it's not quite lunchtime, but we've just done a couple of other cooking videos, so he's got a little belly full, but I reckon he's going to absolutely love this one. So, they're going to go on. Pasta's going to go in. Water, 8 minutes, bish, bosh, bash. There we go. That's on there. Temperature's coming up. Let's open these bad boys. Tomatoes, chicken stock. On top of that, we're going to go garlic granules and salt. Get some flavours going on now. Make our own little salsa. Lovely. Salt, obviously, I need the other hand. And we go oregano as well. Tomatoes, oregano, lovely together. Put you have on your pizzas. Very nice. Right, I'm going to grind some salt in there, give that a stir. Everything is going now. Little chicken sausages are on the grill. Pasta's on. Tomato-based sauce is on. How simple is that? Obviously, I'm cooking that on a grill. Indoors, you stick them in the oven, pan fry them, stick them under the grill, whatever you want to do. So simple. Those sausages are coming on an absolute treat there, cooking away. Sauce is lovely, thickening up. Look at that. Lovely drop of sauce. And what we'll do, once that pasta's done, we combine the sauce with the pasta. Use the starch water as well on the pasta in the sauce. Just use all the flavours. Very nice. Right, not long away. I reckon minutes away really. Bring them off in a minute and we'll chop them up. Yes! Come on with the sausages. El dente, you want it? Bang. Don't drain out every bit of it. You want to keep some of that. Because that'll go in the sauce. Back in there, yeah? Nice. Still moving around, beautiful. Then what we do, go in with some of these chopped sausages. Still got a few more there to chop up. They can go in the base sauce. Cut them more up as well, and they will go on top. This will need 2 hands. Good little plate, that little dish. Got that from Home Sense. About £2. Look how pretty it is though, for when you're doing your pasta dishes and stuff. Right, sauce is being combined. This is looking rather good. Rather good, and it tastes amazing as well. I've had a little nibble. Right. That looks good. Boom, boom, boom. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on with another sausage. I'm going to go on top of that. Why not? We've got them. We've got some in the sauce, some on top of the sauce. And then we're going to go on with some lovely basil leaves. Get the flavours coming through. That looks good, isn't it? I'm happy with that, bro. Where's my fork? Where's my little fork? What in the fuck? That is a very cheap, very simple to throw together pasta dish any day of the week, healthy as well. Chicken sausages, literally tin tomatoes, got chicken stock in there, a little bit of seasoning, basil. What more do you want out of a basic pasta dish? Pasta's still got a little bite to it as well, which is what you want. You don't want it mushy. When you put it together and it all starts sticking together, you see how that's not? Very nice. That's very good. Very, very good dish. Better save some for the wife, alright? Come up. Why what? I forgot the mozzarella, man. Come on. I just rang my wife. I just said, I'm in the garden. I just rang. I said, Ray, I'm clearing up. Do you want some of this pasta? And I looked round. I just realised I forgot the mozzarella. Can't have the mozzarella. Got that bit of cheese on it. Because that mozzarella will go stringy as well. I'm going to put some inside that. Because they're going to come out and have a gnaw up on that. By the way, when we do these cooking videos, yeah, none of this food goes to waste. There's so many of us in the family. We get through it, we eat it. Who's coming? What's that coming? See that? Blended that mozzarella together in there. Yeah, that levels that dish up. That levels that dish up with that mozzarella. I gutted, I forgot that the first time. Never mind. We've remembered it now. See how mozzarella as well, it melts quick. It's the cheese what you use on the pizzas and stuff like that. That wouldn't be the same with cheddar. Mozzarella cheddar blend, but that wouldn't be the same with just cheddar. Right, listen, it'd be rude not to go for another taste with the mozzarella in it. 12 out of 10 now. Come on.